Alright, he didn't show taking the throttle cable off, so. Oh, look at that cute little chain. I remember these old things, yeah.
Have you seen one of them?
It's Italian. How much more simple can you get? A chain, very strong, very flexible, hard to break. This one's pretty corroded, but yeah, it's super simple to do. Yeah, that's super easy. Look how easy that was. That was like nothing. It's like the clutch cable down there, just it falls out. Falls out if you do it right. It's this exhaust coming up over here. Well, you didn't get the right wrench. That's like 11/16, but it's probably metric.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Good thing you had a metric crescent wrench.
Yep.
Okay, my pipe is loose. Oh, look at the clamp tightness over here. Look at that.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
That's pretty tight. Is that rubber mounted? That's a rubber clamp? Oh, that's tighter, huh?
It's nice and lubed, though.
I sprayed the piss out of it. Okay, once you go put that somewhere it's not going to get damaged, so I see on the other side of the rock it'd be a good spot for that. Yeah, okay, so I can only hold it in now is the motor mount right here. So, just that. That's about it. All the electricals off the bike. Oh, no, we got a quick disconnect right here we got to take off. That's probably for the charging system. It's nice to have a nice quick disconnect like this. This makes it simple. How come Harley doesn't do this?
Where's the button?
I didn't say it was going to be easy. It's Italian. I said it was just nice.
You just pull it?
What do you think this thing is? This cute little thing. Probably a resistor to drop the voltage down. Bet you can find one of those anywhere. A ballast resistor. What's the problem?
I don't see a button.
Well, did you read the service manual?
You think it just pulls apart?
If they couldn't afford black tape over, they got green tape. I don't think you're doing it right. Alright, I think we have to study that a little bit. Once you Google it and see how to take a 73 Z90, X90 alternator connector and pop it. I'm sure it's on your Google.
Yeah, it's going to pop right up.
Maybe try Bing. I hear Bing's the way to go these days. Yeah, I'm sure it's become right up. Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem at all. Okay, I would say pull the motor mount, but we got to get this off before we do that because it's going to hang from this if we don't.
That's really a problem.
And I'm pretty sure that's connected to something important down the side of the case. I don't want to take it apart.
Yeah, we want to nip it.
Well, you nip it on this side, but... Okay, let me,
I'm sure.
yeah,
That is simple, right?
figure that out. Don't get too carried away.
Here she comes.
What'd you do, just pull on it?
Just pull on it.
There's no lock. Is it corroded?
No, I don't. I mean, a
Yeah,
little green. It ain't
a little
bad.
green in there. Squirt a little CR on that to spray it up a little bit. Yeah, they didn't have anything about lock tabs back in the day. What the hell, why would you want to lock anything for? That's stupid. It would never fall apart going down the road. These things aren't fast enough. Okay, we gotta pull this off.
Okay.
Yeah, that's got to be done from the other side. It's underneath the cover.
Yep.
It's underneath the cover over here. It's got to be looking in. That's why the bolt's going this way. The nuts are on that side. This is line side.
Did you bring your metric wrenches with you?
No, I did not bring metric. I don't like metric. See, the bolt's over here. They're behind this cover. Oh.
Oh, that's nice.
Was that falling off?
That's nice.
Okay, well, it's a good thing it doesn't matter. It's coming off of the bike, but I'm thinking that might be a little on the loose side.
Goosey goosey.
Oh, there goes my
Oh,
CRC.
I'm trying to ruin it.
There's a CRC. Did you spray it? Did you spray that?
No. Oh, in there? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, that works a lot better now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's like easy now.
Where's that big black?
Look how easy that is. Just falls apart. Oh, you get nervous? Can't go very far. It'll hit me. What are you doing over there?
Taking this off.
Why?
I thought you just asked me to take it off.
I don't get that off. I need these nuts off. I need to open a wrench.
Let's go. Throw it on there.
You can have a extension to get to it. I can't reach that far by my fingers. You're supposed to break the nut free on your side, and I unscrew. I'm not supposed to do all the work. That's just rude making me do all the work.
Interesting.
The nut fall off?
Sure, we got it right here.
I don't see a nut.
That is the nut.
Oh, it's on the other side. This one's already loose.
Hold on.
There you go. This one's already loose. The motor's a lot looser now too. Okay, that's fine. We don't need to go any more there.
Okay.
Okay, let me get the. You got a motor stand somewhere?
I do.
I'm gonna take the motor out.
Oh.
Support the motor. Okay, let's get this stuff wadded up so it stays put.
Okay. You want a zip tie or something?
No, I don't zip tie these. Knot them up like this. My dad showed me to do that a long time ago. Okay, let's get our motor stand over going here. Okay, pull that bolt out. You just slide right on.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, why don't you pull out the one that's easy to get to?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, it looks. I'm hooked on something on this side. I'm not hooked on.
A chain.
A chain?
Yeah.
Put the bolt back in. Put the bolt back in. This thing has a chain? I can't even get it. It's on your side.
Okay, that bolt's in.
You got it on both sides? Okay, it's hanging.
No,
Okay.
Some of the ones just hanging.
We only need one. Here's a spider web for you. Okay, let's get the chain off. Why did you take the chain off? Well, that sprocket looks used too.
I think if we pull this cover and this right here, I think we can get to it.
Well, pull the cover then. I'm gonna take a nap. Oh. Yeah, but it's time to go home.
Okay.
It's time to go home.
Kidnap you for another day.
Can't. Customer's gonna be pissed.
Fuck that guy.
He came all the way down from Washington State to see me. He'll be happy over here in Vegas. He's in San
Just
Diego.
tell me we had an emergency knucklehead sighting that we need to.
No, we had an emergency Harley we had to work on. And pull the motor out to change the spark plug. We changed the tranny, we had to pull the motor out.
Hold on, I gotta get the shifter off here.
That's too much work. Just pull the damn wheel. Here, rotate the wheel until the damn chain gets where it needs to be. Rotate the chain. Find the damn link. It's gotta be somewhere. When you see the link, stop. There's gonna be a link somewhere.
Here it is.
You put it back where the sprocket goes, so you beat on it. You know it's gonna be tight.
Okay.
There you go. It's pretty heavy, you know it's so strong, you can pick the whole bike up. Okay, pop the clip off with a pair of pliers and then beat it with a hammer, it should come right off.
Alright, be careful. This thing is just it's really wanting to fall on your face right now.
There's that, and the hammer's somewhere else behind me. I don't see the hammer. I'm sure I have one nearby now.
I got my right here.
We're not supposed to be keeping the Bondo or the JB well. And they said JB well was permanent. They didn't know about Nipix pliers.
I didn't know Nipix.
Why are you doing this the hard way? Take the duckbill pliers and squeeze in your hand and pops it right off the pin. Don't you know how to take a clip off? That's not duckbills. It won't work. You got the two titties of the clip. See, look. You got the two titties of clips on a pin.
Yeah.
Go on the other side, pin here, pliers, squeeze. Pops the clip right off the front. Didn't your daddy teach you anything? Jeez.
Yeah, I don't think anything.
I can see why you ride a belt bike, you don't know how to work on chains. What's wrong? Can't figure it out?
Well, it's definitely rusted the fuck on here.
Well, you know, it's special. That's why you get the duckbill pliers, it might be easier. What are you doing? Why you get the pliers so wide? What, you got 2 clips over to do it? You do it right on the same one. You gonna bend that thing off and pry it and screw it all up? Is that what you're gonna do now?
Just taking the link off. How come it is?
You're doing it the hard way. You're gonna stab yourself trying to do that. What are you trying to destroy it?
I mean, what's the other way to get it off, man?
I told you how to do
It's
it.
fucking rusted as fuck. I got that off.
Okay, there, what's the problem?
The
Where's
fucking
the
chain
hammer?
link itself.
Where's the hammer?
It's right here.
Hit on the 2 pins. Jeez.
So why did you say something?
What did you think I told you to get the hammer? I thought you were screwing around a stupid clip.
Oh, I had the clip.
Jeez.
Alright.
Pull the chain through. Jeez, I know you're sticking a master link over there. That wasn't hard to do. Is the chain still good, or you got to buy a new one now?
Yes, it's gonna need some sort of replacement.
You want a new one? You're a big spender. You gotta do that one more time. Okay, there you go. That's good now. You can pick it up with your finger now. Where's your clip? Where's your chain at? Where's your master link? 2 parts go in the bucket. That's 1 part. Yep, you got 2 in there. That is a heavy duty chain. Let me see that sucker. I want to see how heavy it is. Damn, that is a heavy duty chain there. Look at
It's
that.
gotta
thing.
take all the power.
That is a bitchin' chain. How loose is this chain? Can you touch it back around again?
The hard way.
That actually isn't too bad of a chain. It's used, but it's not that bad. It's probably still semi-usable. I'd probably invest in a new one. It's not so rusty, but that's me.
Alright.
All right, you got anything else on there? You got tampons hanging off. You got bungee cords, spider webs. What else we got?
Alright.
We
I
good?
think she's gonna come out now.
It's gonna come out this time?
I think so.
Maybe. Okay.
Alright. Whenever you're ready, I'll pull the bolt.
Pull the pin.
Alright. Pin's out.
She's orange, huh?
You okay? Hold on. Alright. I got it.
There you go. It's out. Out lighter now.
You want it up here?
Put it on the workbench. Hold on. You make room on the workbench. Don't crush my damn coat of dry now. Don't get the. How come you almost look at it, you had that dripping on top of the book.
Brand new book.
That was a brand new book. Good thing it didn't get much on it. See, that's real Harley stuff. Most of that wipes right off. What's that? Oh, the rubber mounted. These are rubber mounted motors. See, road turds were not the first rubber mounted Harley.
So you're telling me this was the inspiration for this?
Yes, this is what they turned into that. This was a better bike though.
Still is.
Rubber mounted. Couldn't beat that. Alright, so this is gonna fall off, so you better put that down in the bucket.
That's not stopping. I don't think it's stopping.
I don't know. I think you need a longer 610. It's a lot lighter now. Way lighter bike. Gotta find out what these wheels are though. Alright, wheel that thing out of my way. Pick up my, get my blanket up there. Let's throw that someplace. There's a bike right here. Just throw it up on the bike behind you. Perfect. Okay, you can throw this in the corner over there.
Perfect.
Get out of our work area. This is our work area over here. Don't worry about those tools. They're American made. Well, except for the Mexican ones. That squeak, is that the dog again? Squeak, 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 squeak. There's a rat in the house. Okay.
We don't need this anymore, right? I can roll this out of here?
No, we don't need that no more.
Yeah. She can go back where she came from.
Take it home. All right, take it home. Get out of here. Go put it in someone's safe
It
garage.
didn't come with a key for this either.
Well, you know, I think we can figure out how to get that off.
You have to pick
You know, Fred's a professional locksmith.
Really?
He knows-
Fred, we need you.
He knows how to pick that lock to get it right off. All right, that.